Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of hail. Hail falls. For example, it hailed so hard we had to stop. The second definition of hail. Of a large number of objects, fall or be hurled forcefully. For example, missiles and bombs hail down from the sky. American pronunciation. Hail. Hail. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Hail. Say. Hail. Hail means, hail falls. Hail. Hail. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He hailed me at 9:30 in Trafalgar Square. Now, repeat after me. He hailed me at 9:30 in Trafalgar Square. The second practice. Yesterday it hailed so hard it looked like snow. Now, repeat after me. Yesterday it hailed so hard it looked like snow.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.